Hi everybody, it's Kate from Katie Did. So many beautiful rocks. I feel like this pile is taller than it was the last time I was here. I know they've been scooping some of the gravel out of there, but oh no, I forgot my bottle. Oh, well, that's all right. I've got the spit. Ooh, this is cool. This is what's called a baculite. A baculite is an ancient squid. It used to live in the seaways, the shallow waters that kind of covered this area. And it had this long cone-like shell, and the little tentacles hung out the end of it. So it was a real creepy-looking creature. This means that this pile of gravel must come from somewhere near the river, because the nearest baculites I know of are 60 or 70 miles away. So that's kind of cool to know. And a very pretty piece of petrified wood. So nice. They've been taking scoops out of the gravel here, which is probably why it looks taller than it used to. But it also means that new stuff is exposed fairly frequently, so it's kind of cool to be able to look at the bottom of it here and see what's falling down. Just a little peek at all of the rocks that I can see at this moment. So many. I like to come here when the sun is sinking lower because you can see the translucency of the agates a lot more. Oh, this little beauty here is what they call banded shirt. And I just love how clean these lines are. It's so pretty. This one here looks like it's fairly clear, which means that it's just a chunk of chalcedony. But since it's the first biggish one I've found, I'm going to keep it. And it looks like it's got a few little swirls in there. This probably doesn't look like much, but it is in fact an agate. Of course, since I forgot my spray bottle, I can't wash it off for you here, but I will wash it off when we get home. It looks like it has some really nice stuff in it. Oh, isn't this pretty? It's almost a perfect oval. That's going straight into the tumbler for a pendant. Imagine it all nicely wire wrapped and shiny. Oh, this is a pretty one. See, it has some really nice bands in it. Some quartz on the bottom. Nice. Here's a sweet, tiny little piece of petrified wood. This one has quartz crystals in it, and it's a heart. I'm headed back, but I just found this on my way back to the car. It's a beautiful yellow and red jasper. It'll be very, very nice to slab and then to tumble. You know, I'm always a sucker for a green rock. This is an interesting looking one. From the top it looks kind of just like a regular old rock, but from the side you can tell it's an agate. It's a nice chunk of petrified wood. I'll take it. I mean, I can never turn these down.